Now hold up. What is a man?
Most IT candidates can explain what is a LAN or a WAN, but they completely freeze when asked about the middle child of networking. If you want to stand out in your next IT interview, you need to know exactly what is a metropolitan area network is. The MAN topology uses a super high-speed fiber optic cable to transfer data all across the campuses and cities. It's mostly used by government operations like campuses, colleges, universities. Basically, the city infrastructure is dependent on the MAN topology. It basically uses a mesh or a ring topology to make sure that data gets across even though when one link is down. That's why we have good redundancy, which is super important.
This is something else.
It's about something in that